Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another super simple DIY project. It is very easy, everybody can do it. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to show you the materials I used for this project. I bought two cone-shaped garden pots from a local thrift store. They are in really good shape and also have the size I want to DIY a relatively large flower vase. I also bought two spherical glass vases from the same store as well. They are 99 cents for each and also very solid. Size-wise, they are much larger than the one we usually can get from Dollar Tree store. Then I spray painted the glass vase into gold color and the cone-shaped pots into white color. Since the wall of the glass vase is relatively thin, so I used the foam board pieces to make the wall a little bit thicker in order to securely glue two pieces together. The next step is to lay out the structure of the vase and glue different pieces together. For this step, you can choose the configuration you like. I would suggest use a lot of strong adhesive and glue to make sure they are firmly attached to each other. I also added some golden adhesive strip to give the vase a little bit more feature. Now let's check out the final product. This vase looks very beautiful to me. You can put different decor on top of it, not necessarily flower. I also repainted the base into black color to have a different taste. It turns out very beautiful too. As you can see in the video, there are other configurations you can consider. Feel free to let me know which one you like better. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.